Hey there, my awesome friends on TikTok. It's Pod, your friendly online safety guide, and today I have something super important to share. Let's learn how to stay safe while having fun online. First things first, let's protect our personal information. When online, be careful about sharing private stuff like your full name, address, or phone number. It's like keeping a secret club just for ourselves. Now, let's talk about our digital footprint. Everything we do online leaves a trace, so let's be kind and respectful to others. Imagine leaving behind colorful footprints of positivity. Next up, let's create super strong passwords. Mix it up with numbers, symbols, and uppercase and lowercase letters. It's like a secret code only you know. Beware of tricky tricks called phishing scams. Don't click on suspicious emails, messages, or links asking for personal info. Together, we can outsmart those sneaky fish. Keep your devices and software updated for extra safety. Just like superheroes get upgrades, our devices need updates to stay strong against digital villains. That's it for today's TikTok adventure. Remember, with these safety tips, we can explore the online world while staying safe and happy. Share these tips with your friends and be a hero for online safety. Take care, my amazing friends.